Make your study easy in the field of integration. And some problems I have already solved in previous videos. And see, in that chain, this is also one type of sum. I have taken it from integration, indefinite integration. See the solution of this sum. One by sine x plus 1 by cos x dx is equal to cos x by sine x into cos x plus 1 dx. Now this part can be written as cos x plus sine x plus cos x minus sine x by 1 plus sine x into cos x dx. But when you write in these two forms, then cos x will be double, 2 cos x. So write here 1 by 2. Now write individual form as cos x plus sine x by 1 plus sine x into cos x dx plus cos x minus sine x by 1 plus sine x into cos x dx. Now this two part will be both here also and here also. Now let this is I1 and this is I2. Right, I1 is equal to look at here. This part is in the form of a plus b, and here is also not complete but in the form of 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab. For 1 we can write sin square x plus cos square x, and for this part you have to write 2 sin a into cos a. But for that you have to change something. Look at here. Integration 1 by 2 cos x plus sin x by, write as here, for 1 we can write as 2 minus 1 plus 2 yes. Now I1 is equal to, write as 1 by 2 into 2 cos x plus sin x by 2 plus 2 sin x into cos x dx. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Then write 1 by 2 and take this 2 this side into 2 and write here cos x plus sin x by, for this 2 write as 1 plus 2 sin x into cos x dx. Now write cos x plus sin x by 1 plus sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x into cos x. For this 2, we have to write as 3 minus 1, because here is in the form of a plus b, then here you have to make the form a minus b. But for making a minus b, you have to change this 2 as 3 minus 1. And then take minus common, will be 1 minus 2ab, and for 1 sin square x plus cos square x. Right? Cos x plus sin x by 3 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. Now put sin x therefore I1 is equal to root under dt by root 3 square minus t square. This can be written as equal to 1 by 2 root 3 into log root 3 plus t by root 3 minus t is equal to 1 by 2 root 3 log root 3 plus the value of t sin x minus cos x by root 3 minus sin x plus cos x. This is in the form of dx by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a. Formula is here, look at here. Dx by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x plus c. 1 by 2 multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Now write 1 by 2 into 2 now write cos x minus sin x dx by 1 plus sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x into cos x. is equal to cos x minus sin x dx by 1 plus cos x whole square. Now put sin x plus cos x is equal to z. Put sin x plus cos x is equal to z. Therefore, cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dz. So write I2 is equal to dz by 1 square plus z square is equal to tan inverse is equal to tan inverse z plus c. Look at the formula here. dx by root under a square plus x square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Now write is equal to tan inverse, and for z sin x plus cos x. Now final part, final answer, right? I is equal to I1 plus I2. Now write for I1 1 by 2 root 3 log root 3 plus sin x minus cos x by root 3 minus sin x plus cos x plus tan inverse sin x plus cos x plus c.